Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I do to get my family well when we're sick. And we are not sick very often, but just randomly we might get sick. Someone may wake up with a runny nose or throwing up or vomiting or anything like that. So this video was really inspired because I don't even remember the last time I was sick, except for about 2 weeks ago. But prior for that, I was out with family, and we went went to Six Flags. And I think because that's the only thing I can really pinpoint of why I got sick, and I didn't have any clothes on. Well, I had clothes on, but I had like shorts and like, you know, summer clothes. But at night, especially in Los Angeles, it gets really, really cold. So I think that night is when I got sick. So I'm just going to share with you guys what helped me get over that. And when I say get over that, it literally, I was sick for 2 days. And I'm not exaggerating. I'm not being dramatic. Literally, when I get sick, it's like 2 days. I don't have a lot of downtime because I do have 3 kids, 3 boys at that. So I have to do and be on top of everything. And everything that I'm sharing you and going to show you guys today, I use for everyone in my family, down to the baby who's just turned 1, to my oldest, and me and my husband as well. So if you're interested and you want to learn some new remedies of how to heal your body naturally, just keep on watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.